Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to switch login profiles on Windows 11. So firstly, click the Start menu icon. Click your profile picture on the bottom left corner, then select the user account you want to switch to. Enter the PIN or password, then press Enter. Also, you can use another method, which is pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Click Switch User and on the login screen, select your desired account. Enter your PIN or password and you're done. Then finally, you can try pressing Windows plus D to go to the desktop. Press Alt plus F4 to open the dialog box. In the drop-down menu, select Switch User, then click OK and log into your chosen account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.